Looking for a reliable and feature-rich forex broker to take your trading to the next level? In this video, we're taking a closer look at IG, one of the world's longest-standing online trading platforms. Let's find out why IG has become a go-to choice for traders thanks to its powerful tools, wide range of markets, and trusted global track record. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. IG is one of the world's longest-standing and most respected online brokers, with nearly 50 years of experience connecting traders to global markets. As part of the FTSE 250 listed IG group, it has built a reputation for transparency, reliability, and innovation in online trading. Traders around the world can access thousands of markets, all supported by award-winning platforms and advanced tools for research, analysis, and risk management. IG also places a strong emphasis on education and trader support, offering resources to help both beginners and experienced traders refine their strategies and make informed decisions. Backed by regulation in multiple top-tier jurisdictions, IG provides a secure trading environment where traders can confidently explore opportunities across global markets. With this combination of experience, technology, and oversight, IG has positioned itself as a broker capable of meeting the needs of a wide range of traders. IG offers traders access to one of the most extensive selection of trading instruments in the industry. With over 17,000 markets available globally, traders can speculate on a wide range of assets including forex pairs, major and minor global indices, share CFDs across leading international exchanges, commodities such as gold, oil, and agricultural products, as well as cryptocurrencies. IG also provides access to more specialist markets like bonds, interest rates, futures, and options, allowing traders to diversify their strategies across multiple asset classes. With the ability to trade both rising and falling markets, as well as access key markets nearly 24 hours a day, IG caters to traders looking for flexibility, depth, and broad global market exposure from a single broker. The broker operates under a robust, multi-jurisdictional regulatory framework that is designed to protect traders and ensure high standards of compliance and financial security. Globally, IG's key entities are authorized and regulated by several top-tier regulators, including the UK's Financial Conduct Authority, the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, the Monetary Authority of Singapore, the Swiss Financial Market Supervisory Authority, and the Japanese Financial Services Authority, among others, reflecting a broad global oversight across major financial markets. For South African traders, IG previously operated locally as IG Markets South Africa Limited, authorized by the Financial Sector Conduct Authority, giving local regulatory oversight and compliance. However, newer accounts are now opened via IG's international entities. Across these regions, client funds are kept in segregated accounts and subject to strict regulatory requirements, and where applicable, additional investor protection mechanisms help further enhance trader security. IG generally does not offer traditional deposit or trading bonuses due to regulatory restrictions in many regions, but it still provides useful promotions for both new and existing clients. One common incentive is the Refer a Friend program, where you can earn rewards when someone you refer opens an account and meets qualifying trading requirements, with both the referrer and the new client often receiving cash rewards or rebates. In some regions, IG also offers a welcome rebate on trading costs for new CFD accounts during the first few months of activity, helping reduce early trading expenses. Additionally, the broker has launched premium loyalty initiatives like the IG Club, which rewards active traders with benefits such as rebate bonuses, travel miles, exclusive content, and elevated support as you progress through membership tiers. These promotions vary by country and are subject to specific terms and conditions, so it's always important to check what's currently available in your region before signing up. The broker offers a powerful and versatile suite of trading platforms designed to suit traders of all experience levels. At the core is IG's own web trading platform and mobile application, which delivers fast, intuitive trading with advanced charting, customizable layouts, alerts, and integrated market news and analysis, all accessible directly from your browser or smartphone. For traders who want more specialized capabilities, IG supports popular third-party platforms such as MetaTrader 4 and Pro Real Time, as well as TradingView integration, giving you advanced charting tools, automated strategies, and deeper technical analysis. There's also the L2 dealer platform for direct market access, which is ideal for experienced traders seeking professional-grade order execution and market depth. With these options, IG caters to a broad range of trading styles, from casual mobile trading to technical and automated strategies. The broker provides a variety of account types to suit different trading goals, experience levels, and investment styles. At the core is the CFD trading account, which lets traders speculate on price movements across Forex, indices, commodities, shares, and more using leverage. This is the standard account most retail traders start with. IG also offers professional accounts for experienced traders who meet eligibility criteria and want access to higher leverage and more flexible margin requirements, though some retail protections may not apply. For traders seeking direct market access and deeper order book interaction, IG offers the L2 dealer account, which is designed for advanced traders and features tighter pricing and sophisticated order types. In regions like the UK and Europe, IG also offers spread betting accounts, which are leveraged and tax efficient for UK users, share dealing accounts for non-leveraged stock and ETF ownership, and ISA share dealing accounts for tax efficient investing. Additionally, IG's Smart Portfolio account provide professionally managed, diversified investment portfolios for long-term investors. Across all of these account types, traders can also open a demo account to practice risk-free before moving to live trading. Creating an account with IG is a simple and straightforward process. Firstly, what you'll want to do is head over to their homepage, and on their homepage, simply click on the Create Account button. Next, you will be required to submit your personal information in order to create your IG account. After you have submitted your information and created your account, you will be redirected to the IG client portal. Within the client portal, you can create live or demo accounts, contact support, view educational resources, and more. The next step would be to open either a live or demo account. Keep in mind that if you are opening a live account, you will need to submit your account application in order to proceed, or you can simply open a demo account. Once you have decided on your preferred trading account and have created your account, the next step would be to download and install your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with IG's proprietary trading platform. Download and install your preferred trading platform, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the IG trading platform. On the left side of the dashboard, you have your market watch. Here you can browse through and switch between all of the broker's available market instruments, as well as create your own watch lists, view popular markets, and much more. At the top right of the dashboard, you have your trading chart. Within the trading chart, IG provides a wide variety of chart types, indicators, and drawing tools to help you customize your charts according to your preferences. And within the chart window, you have a nice and simple one-click buy and sell order window. Additionally, the platform also includes news, trading signals, and their economic calendar. And if you are new to the IG trading platform, or any of the other available platforms the broker offers, you can find a wide variety of helpful educational content online, or over on the IG Academy, to help you get started with understanding the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. IG makes depositing and withdrawing funds fairly straightforward with a few common payment options. You can fund your account using credit and debit cards or bank transfers. Card deposits are usually processed instantly, while bank transfers can take a few business days depending on your bank. When you want to withdraw funds, IG typically returns money to the same method you used to deposit, such as back to your bank account or card, and withdrawals usually take a few business days to complete after you submit the request. IG does not accept third-party payments, so the name on your payment method must match your trading account, and any processing times or possible small fees from your bank or card provider may apply. The broker offers a robust suite of educational resources to help traders at all levels improve their knowledge and skills. At the heart of this is the IG Academy, which provides free structured online courses with video lessons, interactive exercises, and quizzes covering topics from market basics to advanced strategies. IG also runs live webinars and seminars where experts share insights and answer questions, plus a wide range of news, analysis, and market commentary to help you stay up to date with key events and trading ideas. On top of that, there are also podcasts, downloadable guides, as well as a glossary of trading terms, all designed to support your learning journey and help you trade more confidently and effectively. The broker provides a strong suite of news and analysis tools designed to help traders stay informed and make better decisions. Within the platform and the IG website, you'll find real-time market news and trade ideas, including daily commentary, expert insights, and analysis of major financial events across global markets. IG also offers features like an economic calendar, client sentiment data, signal alerts, and pattern recognition tools, as well as curated articles that highlight potential opportunities and risks. For many traders, this mix of live news feeds, technical and fundamental analysis, and regular market commentary is a valuable part of planning trades and staying ahead of market movements. Over the years of operation, IG has earned widespread recognition for its excellence and innovation in the online trading industry. With a long history of industry accolades, the company's platforms and services have been celebrated across multiple markets. IG's trading technology has been recognized at the ADVFN International Financial Awards, winning the Best Multi-Platform Provider for several years running, while its competitive pricing and quality features have secured honors like the Share Trading Low Costs Award at the Finder Awards. Additionally, IG and its associated brands have been acknowledged for their robust trading applications and platform performance in various global award programs, underscoring the firm's commitment to delivering high-quality, reliable trading solutions for its clients. Additionally, in South Africa, the broker has also received local industry recognition, including being named the top CFD broker and best online broker in past investor awards, reflecting its strong presence and reputation in the region. Overall, IG offers access to over 17,000 global markets, covering everything from forex and indices to shares, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, giving traders unparalleled choice and flexibility. Combined with award-winning platforms, advanced charting tools, and professional-grade analytics, IG provides the resources needed to trade confidently, whether you're a beginner learning the ropes or an experienced trader executing complex strategies. IG's commitment to education and research is another standout feature. Through the IG Academy, webinars, real-time market analysis, and trading guides, traders can develop skills and strategies in a structured way, supported by insights from industry experts. Coupled with strong global regulation and local oversight from the FTSE in South Africa, IG demonstrates a focus on security, compliance, and protecting client funds through segregated accounts and other risk management measures. While IG may not always be the lowest cost broker and certain account features vary by region, its combination of trust, technology, and global market access makes it a compelling choice for serious traders. With flexible account types, reliable deposit and withdrawal methods, and a dedication to keeping traders informed through news, analysis, and market research, IG continues to be a broker that many traders rely on for both learning and executing strategies in the global markets. The broker is renowned for its history, platform quality, and market depth, positioning it as a top choice for traders seeking a reliable and feature-rich broker. And that is our overview of IG. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.